Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best electric airsoft rifles you can find today. Whether you're gearing up for epic airsoft battles or just starting your airsoft journey, we've got the perfect options for you. All product links are in the description below, so let's jump right into it. Starting off at rank number 5, we have the Avic Airsoft Slipstream Goggle and Lower Face Shield Face Mask. While it's not a rifle, this product is essential for airsoft players who prioritize safety and style. The tinted polycarbonate lens offers both UV protection and impact resistance, ensuring your eyes are shielded during intense gameplay. The detachable lower face protector gives you the option to swap between goggles-only mode and full face shield mode, making it incredibly versatile for various scenarios. The design is lightweight yet durable, featuring vented polymer guards for comfort and ventilation. Adjustable elastic head straps ensure a snug fit for players of all sizes, from kids to adults. While it's not a weapon, this mask is perfect for those looking to pair their airsoft rifle with reliable protective gear. One downside is that it's slightly on the pricier side for protective equipment, but the build quality and functionality make it worth the investment. Overall, the Avic Slipstream Face Mask is ideal for airsoft players who want maximum protection without compromising on style or comfort. Whether you're battling foam darts, gel balls, or BBs, this mask ensures you stay safe and focused on the game. At rank number 4, we have the Zohan EM054 Electronic Ear Protection Earmuffs. Like the Evike mask, this product isn't a rifle, but is critical for airsoft enthusiasts who want to protect their hearing during loud battles. These electronic earmuffs feature noise reduction technology combined with sound amplification, allowing you to hear critical game sounds while blocking out harmful noise levels. It's a fantastic choice for airsoft players who frequent loud arenas or shooting ranges. Design-wise, the Zohan EM054 is sleek and durable, sporting adjustable headbands for a comfortable fit. The ear cups are cushioned to provide long-lasting comfort, even during extended matches. While it excels in functionality, it's worth noting that these earmuffs are not specifically tailored for airsoft, so they may feel a bit bulky for fast-paced games. However, they're perfect for players who also enjoy target shooting or firearm practice. With an affordable price tag of $26.98, the Zohan EM054 offers incredible value for players looking to protect their ears without breaking the bank. Whether you're an airsoft enthusiast or a shooting range regular, these earmuffs are a smart investment in your safety and comfort. Coming in at number 3, we have the HK Heckler & Koch MP5 SD6 AEG Automatic Airsoft Rifle by Umarex. This is a sleek, CQB-friendly rifle designed for players who love tight, tactical gameplay. It features an injection-molded polymer stock and ambidextrous HK-style switches, making it user-friendly for both left-handed and right-handed players. The semi-auto and full-auto shooting modes, coupled with easy hop-up adjustments, allow for precision and versatility on the battlefield. Its build quality is solid, with a metal alloy outer barrel that adds durability without sacrificing lightweight maneuverability. The MP5 SD6 includes 2 high-capacity 200-round magazines, giving you plenty of firepower during extended skirmishes. However, at over $200, it's a significant investment, and its performance shines best in close-quarters environments rather than open fields. Ultimately, the MP5 SD6 is ideal for players who want a reliable, CQB-oriented rifle with impressive versatility and build quality. If you're serious about airsoft and willing to invest, this model won't disappoint. At rank number 2, we have the Umarex HK Heckler & Koch HK416 AEG Airsoft Gun, a standout product in the Elite Force lineup. If realism and tactical performance are high on your list, this rifle delivers in spades. Featuring flip-up sights, an accessory rail for custom attachments, and a collapsible stock, this rifle is perfect for players who want flexibility and customization. The HK416 is powered by a combination of battery, electric, and spring piston systems, ensuring reliable performance across various conditions. The metal barrel and polymer frame strike a balance between durability and lightweight handling. With a 250-round capacity, you'll have plenty of ammo for extended firefights. However, some users report that the spring piston mechanism can feel slightly stiff during reloads. This rifle is ideal for intermediate to advanced players looking for a reliable SB 199 compliant airsoft gun. Whether you're storming the field or defending your base, the HK416 is built to perform. Its versatility and build quality make it one of the best airsoft rifles on the market. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Gamo Wildcat Whisper air rifle. While not an electric airsoft rifle, this model is a top-tier choice for those seeking precision and power in their airsoft arsenal. With a velocity of 1,300 feet per second and a .177 caliber, this rifle is built for accuracy and long-range performance. The included 4x32 scope ensures you can hit your target with pinpoint precision, making it ideal for players who enjoy sniper-style gameplay. The Wildcat Whisper features a gas piston power system and an alloy steel barrel for durability and consistency. At 5.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough for comfortable use, but sturdy enough to handle rigorous play. The multicolor design adds a touch of style, while the 1-year limited warranty provides peace of mind for buyers. Although priced higher than other rifles on this list, the Gamo Wildcat Whisper is worth every penny for players who want professional-grade performance. If you're serious about airsoft and value accuracy and range above all else, this rifle is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find your next airsoft rifle or gear. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.